And now we're going to check out the software. Being in pure Redragon fashion, we can absolutely change just about everything. You want to change, you at least have to have one left click as mentioning in the first one, but then you can change any button to virtually anything. You want it to be a macro, you want it to be a different button, you want it to be a keyboard button, it could be just about anything. We do have the DPIs here. And so you can just absolutely crank it up to 26,000, which if you do that, I don't know who you are. You're not human. But these are your general defaults. And again, you can change those all the way through. Then you have your polling rate. And again, it can go up to 4,000. And there's 2,000 if you want to do that. But yeah, 4,000 is really where you want to go if you're going to be using this mouse, just to have that lower response time. And you have the sensor settings, then you have the DPI lighting effects, which is really only on the bottom when you change the modes. So it's not really something you need to worry about too hard. But again, if you want to change these around, change the order, change the amounts, you can. And of course, the macros. You can start your recording for your macros. You can have it have the automatic insertion of delays. Set your default time if you want to have a certain amount of milliseconds. And then you have the different settings for cycle press, until the key presses, and so on. And if you want, you can just have insert action. So if you do the recording, which we'll do now, and type in a bunch of Fs in chat, then you get the delay as I hold it, and it continues the cycle. That's just me adding in more time. You can hit save. Now that you have your profile, you can add in. You want to press key or anything across the board if you want. You can enter the key and change it. Boom, now it's changed or added in. Do need it, not, it doesn't say edit, it is in Chinese, but that's okay. That'll be fixed in a future update. And so you can check the firmware of your mouse. You can check to see where everything's at. You can have it run on boot. And then, of course, the advanced settings down there. You can, the biggest thing, can check the charge of the mouse. And then once you've done all of this, you have profiles. And so then you can import them, you can export them, you can restore them. You have everything across the board that you can do with this mouse, with the software. It's honestly absolutely crazy the amount of things that you can do with this mouse.